Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Charles sir. Today we are going to study finding squares of numbers ending in 1. Now squares of numbers which mean 21 multiplied by 21, 41 multiplied by 41, 91 multiplied by 91 and so on. The technique is very simple and easy, and you just have to follow the steps to get to know the answer to these questions. So here we go. The first question: 31 multiplied by, or better, 31 square is equal to 31 square, as you know, is 31 multiplied by 31. Now we have two main steps in this. The first step is, see the number 3? 3 multiplied by 3. This is the first step. The second step is 3 plus 3. And the third step is 1 multiplied by 1 or 1 only. Next time we are just going to write 1 in the third step. In fact, the third step will always be 1. So final answer you will have over here is 3 3s are 9, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 1s are 1. This is your answer, and this answer is for the square of 31. Now let us see the square of 41. So first we multiply 4, 4 multiplied by 4 once, then add 4 plus 4, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. There is no need to write 1 multiplied by 1, we'll just write 1 over there. So we get the answer over here. 4 4s are 16, 4 plus 4 8, and 1 1681. The third question: 91 square is equal to 9 multiplied by 9, 9 plus 9 and 1. Now just let me tell you one thing. The second part of the answer should contain only one digit. Now if by chance it's going to have two digits, then one digit has to be transferred to the first part of the answer. So we have over here 9 9s are 81. The second part of the answer is 9 plus 9, 18. Put a little distance over here and 1. Now what happens? This one and this one will be added together. So how much answer should we get? 8281. These are the three answers we have, and finally one more answer you can take, and that's a little bit a bigger answer, but there is no problem in that. You can see over here the fourth question: 121 square. Again the same concept. 121 square means 12 multiplied by 12, 12 plus 12 and 1. So 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. The first part. The second part is 12 plus 12, 24 and 1. And this 2 will be added to 4. So final answer you will get is 146, 41. This is your answer. And finally we can get another last question over here, that is 251 square. Now this is quite a big question. No problems. The solution, the techniques are the same. So what we do is the same technique, that is 25 multiplied by 25. The first part, 25 plus 25, and the last part is 1. So 25 multiplied by 25 is 625. And before we do the further question, let me tell you, if you know the squares of numbers from 1 to 20, your work will become very easy. So 25 multiplied by 25 is 625, and the second part is 25 plus 25 is 50 and 1. Now this 5 will be added to 625. So 625 plus 5, 630. This 0 is left over here and 1. So these were when we were finding the squares of numbers which were ending with 1. So everything is quite simple, very simple, and you can take as many questions as you can on your own and try out with them. Now, what about numbers, two different numbers which end with 1? Now again there is a question starts over here. So we can take those numbers also. Like for example, 21 multiplied by 31. Now can you see over here? Both these numbers, they end with 1. 21, 1 and 31, 1. The technique is the same what we were earlier doing. That is, we multiplied 2 by 3. First part of the answer. The second part of the answer, 2 plus 3. And third part of the answer is 1. And finally the answer we get is 2 3s are 6. 2 plus 3, 5 and 1. The second question, 31 multiplied by 41 is equal to the same technique, that is 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4. Next part is 3 plus 4 and the last part is 1. What is the final answer when you combine all these three parts? You get 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 7 and 1. 1271. The third question, 61 multiplied by 91. You can take any numbers in between, 2-digit numbers or even 3-digit numbers. You can see and check for yourself. The same technique, 6 multiplied by 9, 6 plus 9 and 1. So finally when we combine all these three parts, 6 9s are 54, 6 plus 9 15, write 15 a little far apart and 1 will be here. So this 4 plus 1 will be added together. So how much will be left? 5, 5, 5 and 1. This is your answer for 61 multiplied by 91, that is 5551. Let us take now a bigger question, a 3-digit question. That is 121 multiplied by 131. The concept is the same, the technique is the same, you just have to see the calculations. And the calculations are 12 multiplied by 13, 12 plus 13 and 1. And how much do we get? 12 13s if you multiply it, you will get 156. You can multiply it by your calculator and see. And it's better if you take the calculator and do the calculations. 12 plus 13, 25 and 1. And now finally, if you add 2 to 156, you will get 158 and 51 is your final answer. And finally, let us take one last question more. Fifth one, 191 multiplied by 201. I am just taking random numbers. You can also take random numbers yourself and you can try up with these practice. So finally let us multiply this, and the technique over here is 19 multiplied by 20. If there are 3-digit numbers or digits, 3 digits in the number, you take the first two. So 19 multiplied by 20 is the first part, 19 plus 20 is the second part, and 1 the third part. So how much do you get? 19 multiplied by 20 is 380. 19 plus 20 is 39. And 1 is the last part of the answer. Now when you combine all these three parts together, 3 will be added to 0 or 380. 380 plus 3, 383 and 91. This is your final answer. So we had done today two very important and very enjoyable tricks, that is finding the squares of numbers which were ending with 1, for example 21 square, 41 square, 91 square, and so on and so forth. As well as we also learned how to multiply two different numbers ending with 1, like for example 41 multiplied by 51, 61 multiplied by 71, 81 multiplied by 91, and so on and so forth. Now in my next video, what we are going to do is we are going to learn squares of other numbers which are close to 20, 30, 40. Now these are called secondary bases or sub bases or working bases. If they are very far from 10 or far from or very far from 100, like for example 50 is far from 10 and far from 100, so we have to look at the support for certain secondary bases which are 20, 30, 40, and so on and so forth. So be ready guys. In my next video I am going to touch up those very important square questions. In fact, all squares from 1 to 20. And I'm sure you must have liked this video. And in case you have, please do like them, share them, subscribe them. And in case you have certain problems in future, you can always refer to the video and you can send in your comments to me. Thank you and happy learning.